What is the difference between zakat and zakat-ul-fitr? This is again Abdullah from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The difference between zakat and zakat-ul-fitr is, as we discussed in the earlier session, zakat means to purify, it means to increase, and zakat-ul-fitr is purification of the fast. Zakat is mainly to purify your surplus wealth, the wealth that is above the nisab level. It is to purify your wealth or your farm products or the agricultural products or your wealth above the nisab level. Zakat-ul-fitr is to purify your fast. Zakat has to be given by every individual who has a saving of more than the nisab level or got agricultural products or farm products. Whereas Zakatul-fitr has to be given by every Muslim unless he is extremely poor or he is extremely needy and has no provision. Zakat can be given to 8 categories of people, as we discussed earlier: to the fuqara, to the poor people, to the masakin, to the needy, to the amilun, those who collect zakat, to mu'allafatul qulub, those whose hearts are coming towards Islam, to gharimun, to debtor, to riqab for the freeing of the slaves, ibn sabil, the wayfarer, and fi sabilillah, in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But Zakatul-fitr can only be given to the extremely poor and needy people who don't have provision. So the people that can receive Zakatul-fitr are very small percentage as compared to those who can receive zakat. The fourth difference, that zakat is a percentage given on your savings above the nisab level or on your agriculture farm products. Whereas Zakatul-fitr is a fixed amount. It is fixed. The Prophet said, half sa of wheat or wheat grains or 1 sa of dates or barley or rice or oats. It's fixed. It's not a percentage. Furthermore, zakat can be given any part of the year, anytime. But Zakatul-fitr has to be given before the Eid-ul-Fitr Salah and maximum 48 hours before the Eid-ul-Fitr Salah. And lastly, the zakat is the obligation. It is a pillar of Islam. Zakatul-fitr is not a pillar of Islam, but both are fard. If you don't give zakat, it becomes a major sin. If you don't give Zakatul-fitr, it becomes a minor sin. So this is all in short regarding the difference between zakat and Zakatul-fitr.